Hi guys, good morning all. So you're able to hear us, right? And you can use this chat message to ask your questions because if you all can start asking in through voice. Sir Thirumal Shetty sir, you can cut off your video also, so bandwidth can be reduced, so many people can be joined. Yeah. So I'm generally keeping everybody in mute. So if somebody wants to ask, please ask in chat. Like if you want to discuss, then we will discuss through chat or through audio also. Not a problem. But yeah, if everybody was asked, start asking, and then a lot of disturbance will come through each mics. So it is better to keep yourself muted. And if you want to ask, just ask in chat, and then once I got your question, then we can discuss if you want to discuss. So I hope all guys have gone through this. You're able to see our scan and screen, and you're audible, right? So if anybody wants to ask any Q&A, please let us know in chat. Please let me know in chat. We will mark it down and we'll try to answer all the queries during the session. Please let me know, because in between session I may not entertain most of the queries. After the session, yes, you can ask, but if you want my reply immediately, then you need to tell all your queries based on whatever videos part which I have shared. So this was the part 1 and 2 videos which I asked to watch. So hope at least 90% of the people has watched, right? So do you have any queries or any these things to explain further? Please let me know. Otherwise, we can directly go to our intended session, like how to trade breakouts. Sir, Thirumal Shetty sir, see, to address your query, or to explain you properly, so this is what I am going to show, like how I am trading. So here in this one, I am having almost some 5 lakh capital, and I am trading only in cash, just to showcase how this can be useful. So these are all my positions. So it involves my fundamental peak and also my cash delivery peaks. So which I trade and why I trade. So you can treat it like a book-based approach also, or you can treat it like how to trade like this. So you can just go through all these stuff. So I'm just scrolling down. So how to identify right like this, even for investment, all these things. So why I'm buying, how I'm buying. So you would have seen all charts in our group. These are all the charts, right? How this chart is planned, how I'm buying, why I'm buying, or where I'm keeping stop loss. So this one, last time it has hit stop loss. So how to buy or how to decide that, why breakout, how breakout. So that will be discussed here, nothing else. So if this line, if you ask me to teach how to put, yes, that is there in the part 1 and part 2 videos. Sir, I think, yeah, guys, please let me know if somebody is unable to view the screen, because I'm able to see my screen and a few of my friends are connected. So they have confirmed they're able to see this screen. So if you ask me how to put these thing lines, then that is what I said. All these things were there in the technical part 1 and 2. So now here I am directly going to identify all those things using that. Yeah, before that, please let me know if any queries are there, because during the session I will try to address all your queries and note it down, and wherever I'm explaining, like here, yes, Thirumal Shetty sir was asked how to identify false breakdown. Yes, I will address that part. If somebody is having any query, please register here or put in chat. Balaji, today morning we posted one update, we wanted to share free all stuffs. So we will not talk anything about our paid stuffs here. So if you want to learn all the basic free stuffs, like from zero to how to trade in options, all practical learnings, but only thing is, yes, live market learning If you want to learn, you need to come for the courses. Otherwise, you can take this as a free learning, and this will be most practical way of learning. So we are planning to teach through webinars and YouTube videos. So nothing will be discussed about any of my courses here. It's very clear-cutly planned. I will not share anything about my paid stuffs, because I am a trainer since 2010. I am not a trainer just because of this corona issue. So we are running business successfully. We are stepping into the 8th year. So from our side, this is the plan we got it. Because there are so many people who are teaching basic support and resistance and charging 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. Our basic stuffs which are there in the YouTube, and just sharing that and getting 15,000, 20,000. But what you need to understand is the basic concepts to evaluate and do it in the practical way, so that we will teach. So if somebody wants real-time guidance, sit with us and trade with us, then only the paid thing will stop. Otherwise, we don't need to discuss anything about paid stuffs here in either of the webinars or whatever we are going to share here. That's fine, right? I think I answered your query. So somebody wants to. So there are a lot of free learning stuff will be there. So if somebody wants to go, just go to this YouTube channel. You can just bookmark. Even you don't need to subscribe or join also. No, not a problem. Even if you're little feeling like I'm trying to catch people as subscribers, you don't need to do this. Just bookmark this page. You can watch whatever you want. This is our. So this is my channel. So I clearly explained in the introduction video what is this meant for. We are doing business already successfully for the last 8 years. So we don't want to concentrate more on cheap income. So you can go through this. So whatever basic stuffs and intermediate stuff which are practically needed, not book-based stuffs. So that will be teached here for free in this channel. So no need to worry about we will try to catch you for our paid stuffs. No, nothing like that. Sir, that's what I said, sir. I will not discuss anything about my paid courses. If you want to just see, go to my profile and you yourself see. I am not using this as my platform for discussing anything about this. This is my personal Facebook profile, and if you wanted to see my business profile, so go to Tanish Capital. So this is the profile. So you can have my number here. Whatever you want to know about professionally, you can see there. Not yet. We're not going to discuss anything on this. And this is my Twitter profile. So if somebody wants to keep me following, you can keep me, or if you want to ask anything in personal doubts, you can ask through messages. So these are all the two things. And if somebody wants to know what is my page, so this page you can follow for all the calls. Sorry, you don't treat it as calls, you treat it as chats. I don't spoon feed people. So if you want to, somebody needs to leave this like this, you can follow. This is the page. So I told where to follow for other details. Please cover the tools. Sir, Balaji, I'm reading your query only. Please cover the tools, software, data feeds required for trading as well. No, nothing is required if you are just a personal trader. And yes, still if you are having huge capital, then you need to deploy more for your comfort. Otherwise, not required. I will tell whatever I'm teaching, these things will be covering all the free stuffs only. So where to check the charts, how to check it. All these things will be using TradingView. I'm just going to show you. Yes, I have AMI broker, but that will be little bit discomfort in terms of then people will come and ask, what is this AFL, what is that AFL, where to get the feed. So that are not required. Just price is enough to just identify and trade yourself like this. You can just go through. So only one this thing is there. So by net change, if you just if you follow this, you can trade on your own. You can ride it like this on your own also. That is what I'm going to teach you. So if somebody wants to trade in cash and future, yes, using this you can do, but only thing is you need to know your risk. So whatever this free learning, so today morning what we posted from our side, how to do this. Go to Danish Capital. So this is what we have planned. So this is part of it. And our YouTube is the medium like where people can connect for free learnings. So it will be like, again, we'll not be sharing any book-based stuff. So whatever we have been doing, if you ask me like whether it is able to do, then I can show only this. That's it. All the writings, how to do. Even if it is one stock also, it's fine, but you need to do on your own and get your conviction. So if that is your intention, you can start following us or start learning from our YouTube. So this is what. So yes, I think because see, this is my Google bundle version. So max will be 150 people will be like possible. So above that nobody can join. Because I subscribed to paid one with only 150 because I'm not concentrating on bulk learning on my even on my professional paid stuffs. So mostly 150 people can connect. So if you're disconnecting and somebody is joining later, then you may not have slot. So please plan your stuffs. So even if you miss, not to worry. These things will be recorded and will be given in YouTube also. The only thing is, yes, if you want to ask and if you want to interact or if you want to ask your query, because yesterday some people would have watched and would have had some queries like how this trend line is drawn, why not here? Then that kind of queries can be answered during this interaction parts. Otherwise, I can just record on my convenient time and I can just put it on YouTube. So both will serve the purpose, but only thing is, yes, if you face initially lot of dilemma will be there when you are applying for your real-time trade. So these webinars are planned. Rudra, I will explain like pyramiding how to do, or that's it. When you identify breakout in higher time frame, you can just start adding. So I will teach. Yeah, this point I will cover. Like when I'm covering, I will remember that I will remind you that this is the part you are asking for. So everybody has gone through, right, the last two videos, because otherwise, yeah, what will happen to you is some part will not be understandable by you. Then what you need to do is, yes, you can read this recording course video in YouTube also, but before that you need to go through again and again technical part analysis 1 and 2. So this video and this video you need to go through if you're not understanding, because this place I will not be able to explain because it will be wasting all other people time. Anyhow, you will get the recording. So if you can again go to that part 1 and 2 and try to, because all answers are there. If you just cleanly watch, yes, it is a big video. Thing is, you need to spend your time, take your time, note down all the things, and then because you're ready to pay even 4,000, 5,000 to understand support and resistance, right? Because in your past you would have attended many people class, but the only thing was after attending at that time you will get a lot of inspiration. Oh, this much easy, that much easy. But when you sit on a terminal, all your inspiration will go, because that's what live market will do to you. So if you're facing that kind of issue, you can talk to us, not an issue. So this will be addressing all the stuffs, whatever we are doing, because we've been practicing this and trying to do. So that is what I'm showing. Like after understanding this, what you will be able to do this, you will be able to do like this, something like this. So if you ask me chart wise, I can show my channel. I think most of the people are part of this channel. If not, please kindly follow this, because whatever I'm learning or whatever webinar I'm conducting, I'm planning to share my link, because I wanted to keep very limited, because my seat is only 150. So if somebody wants to discuss, only for 150 people I can give a charge to discuss. Otherwise, if you just want to watch, no problem. You can go to YouTube. I will upload in 1 or 2 days. So you can just Watch this any number of times you want. That's it. Then later you can connect to me personally and ask any doubt is there. Not an issue. So if you're putting your efforts, yeah, we are ready to spend our time also to teach who's taking efforts. So just like that, somebody comes and asks, sir, please teach me. You're taking all this means no, then I will not respond because I already given anything. So if you want to ask precisely like I watched this video, this part I'm not able to understand. Till this I will understand. So show me that you have put your effort and still you are not understanding. Yes, we are ready to spend our time to explain when it comes to real-time marketing. Right? So totally. So only 18 people joined, but in this one people said like everybody will join. No, not a problem. Then see, instead of like doing for less people, I can record and I can keep so that I don't need to keep a consistent committed time for me. So next time what I will try to do is I will do like this. When I recorded this video at that time I did not kept any committed time. Whenever I was free, I just recorded and I uploaded. So I will do like that also from next time. Not an issue. Because if this is going to be one-sided, then better go like this only. So I'm just playing this till our meeting starts. So till 10:30, like we will wait, and whoever joins or not, we will start our session. Balaji, see that's what market profile. If you want to learn, yes, learn, not an issue. But I don't teach. Order flow, if you want to learn, learn and teach. Volume profile, if you want to learn, learn and teach. Like you can teach and trade. But if you follow this method, now see, I will not say this is the best method, but before all these methods are giving buy, yes, I am able to buy before you. It is not that the method is important. You need to follow the price. That's it. I hope you are a guy from I think science and maths background. So we know price is the basic indicator. Whatever other things are derived indicators. I don't want it to run behind the tail. I just wanted to sit on the head and ride my trade. That's it. So if you understand this, yes, because as per price pattern, many patterns will come. But before you need to know this is trending up or trending down, then you need to get into the move before anybody else, or at least before the major crowd runs behind it, you need to follow. That's what we are going to teach. See, I'm not going to teach anything, even that's what I'm not going to teach any indicator, nothing. I only teach you like how to follow the price, how to use confirmation, and then how to trade with your conviction. That's it. If you're paper trading, you no need to paper trade, like at least buy one stock. Then only that practical learning will come to you. Otherwise, on paper, it will be very good. Because you can mark it on paper or mark it on Excel and you can roam around and you can come back and see after 10 days also. Just buy one stock. Yesterday, if you bought just any one stock, then overnight news will somehow reach you through any of the channel or any of the message. Then you will be losing your sleep even if you buy just one stock. So that live learning is much more important, like a practical way of doing it. That is what I will always prefer. So in another 5 minutes I will start. So before that, what we need to do? Nothing else is, you know what is chart, right? Because that's what I discovered in technical analysis video. What is chart? What is, because I don't want to keep any indicators. So now, you know, like why I put this on. If I wanted to put this on like this, why I'm putting. So all these details are there in technical part video 1 and 2. So why this rectangular block I have put, why this trend line I have put, why this trend line I have put, why this green line I have put. So all these things are there in technical part 1 and 2. So in this one, what we are going to see is like how lively one has to. Yeah, good Sachin. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Like I will be putting everything, but you need to see why I am putting these blocks. So you need to be having the answer within you. That's it. Instead of asking me during the call now, then if you know that, then that will be good and better. So that you can learn immediately also. Otherwise, you need to watch this recorded video, and before that, you need to watch technical part 1 and 2. I need to know why these lines are putting. So above this, I will not put anything. I will use only lines and boxes. That's it. So if you wanted to see, you can just see whatever is there. So this channel, I think most of the people, because most of the people, all the people are joining through this channel only. Because no, other than this place, I have not shared anything. This one. So if somebody has time, just go through from day one how we are posting. Because I trade on my own, I manage capital on my own, but only thing is like yes, I initially thought like we will do like this. That's it. In my thing, nothing will be there. Yes, one small indicator below this will be there. For future chart or spot chart, what is the effort? Nothing. Only premium will be there or discount will be there. Right? If you want to go the chart, go to trading terminal of yours. If you want to use this chart, go this and follow with. Let's say like I'm keeping like this. Nifty and Nifty future. Nothing will change, right? Nifty between Nifty and Nifty future, nothing will change. Only value will change, and you need to analyze if you are having using this chart, then you analyze only this chart. That's it. The only thing is, yes, future chart, weekly chart will not be available. So that is why you go to the weekly. If you just get, you will only get this much data. So 3 year data you will not be able to see. That is the reason why I say go with spot. And Perumal Chetty sir, how to select stocks for trading out of hundreds of stocks? No, you select only 20 stocks which you like. Whenever price is breaking out, only that you trade. There is not hundreds of stocks, there are thousands of stocks, sir. You select your favorite stocks from different sectors. Let's say some 10 sectors you want to keep. Out of the 10 sectors per sector, you keep 3 stocks. That's it, your favorite stock. Or somebody wants to keep 10 stocks per sector, that you can keep also. Only thing is you need to watch whatever chart you want to trade. That's it. There is no shortcut. Yes, there are some scannings will be available, but again you need to pay or you need to spend your money. Which drives the stock? Means stock is car or what? No, price only. No, price drives the stock. That's it. No, selecting means what selecting? That's what I said. There are 10 sectors listed. Select some 50 stocks like this. You select. Why I selected this, I cannot tell, right? You select. And then whenever you see change in price structure or change in trend, just be ready to write that. That's it. Nothing else. Some stock I may be my favorite and you may not be comfortable in trading that. Then now I can say that stock name. Yes, if I'm finding any stock I'm posting here, if you like this, you trade. Otherwise, if you want to trade on your own, you select your stock and you start applying whatever you are learning here. The same stock method can be applied in ITC also, INFI also. It can be applied in whatever stock or whatever index you are seeing. Method is I am teaching. So stock you need to decide. So 10 or 20 stocks you keep. What you are going to analyze, because you wanted to become an analyst, then you do. You wanted to become trader, then you need to keep your view very refined. Right? So guys, time is done, like 10:30 is there. So now I'm going to teach you like EQ in the sense, see. So whatever I am going to take this, or whatever I have already given in this, I am going to tell you. So Grassim, I will start with Grassim. Okay, all are available, right? Even only 80 people are there, it's fine. No need to worry. So to this 18 people, I can respond. And I will reach all people through YouTube, not a worry, not a problem at all. If somebody wants to watch, they can watch. So, Grassim, right? So this is a daily chat. This view is clear, first of all. Please respond, guys, because only 18 people are there. You can easily respond and you can get connected easily. This view is clear, right? Clear, right? So it's a breakout. Agree? If somebody gives this chart, you will trade, right? But how to make this chart yourself? That is what the agenda is. I think Thirmal Shetty sir, your question will get answered here itself. The agenda is how to do like this, right? So how to identify Grassim? First of all, are you tracking Grassim? Then you will be able to identify. Otherwise, no, you will not be able to identify Grassim. Sir, Mashu sir, can you cut off your video feed? Because bandwidth will be used heavily. Just cut off your video feed. Video, you can cut your video. I'm seeing your video. Just cut off your video. Mashu sir, black shirt. Yeah, just cut off your video because it will take your bandwidth and people will struggle during viewing the video from our side. So you will be interested to identify these, right? And if I give you this chart, you will be trading on your own. Agree? Right? It's clearly marked, right? So whoever watched 1 or 2 part videos, you will be able to at least see what I'm meaning here, right? By this line, by this chart, what is the target? What is the stop loss? Yes, it is not written on term, on words. But if you watched the technical part video 1 and 2, this is a clear buy signal. You know where to put your stop loss or where to cut your position. So it's a breakout and targets are marked. Clear? That part, if you are clear, then I can accept that yeah, everybody has watched video 1 and 2 properly. Nothing. So whatever I'm putting, I will not spoon feed. Like you buy this Grassim Industries between 640 to 620. Stop loss is this. Target is this. I will not do like this because my job is not to give calls. See, if you want me to trade, I will trade and show. That's it. My side, I'm very clear. So if you wanted to learn like same way, you need to concentrate on learning. Don't look at spoon feeding or expect calls from me. Yes, if you are able to cleverly buy this, yes, buy this with your own conviction. Don't expect me to tell me the target or stop loss. It's very clear, right? So same way, I'm just going to show this. Did you agree this is a breakout? So now onwards, you know where to buy, where to keep stop loss, what and all target. Please let me know if somebody is not understanding, because if you have gone through part 1 and 2 videos, this will be self-explanatory. And that's what, if you ask any question, I will say, no, I will give this recording. Before watching this recording, go and see technical analysis 1 and 2. So if you ask me, so no, can you know this, how I will able to do this? See, when I posted on, so this consignor like start I posted on August 25th. But when the zone came, you need to see. Did it came? Here also it came. August 25th it came. Again it came. Right? Yes. I think Sachin is very much interested in learning this. I already learned the thing. Yes. The question is, yes, if you find the breakout and if you're trading huge volume, keep stop loss below here on closing basis or hourly basis, because you want to cut your risk. When you go for higher quantities, use lower stop loss or go to lower time frame. That I will teach. But if somebody wants to buy only for 10,000 and they can use this stop loss also, not an issue. But if somebody want to try and trade in futures, then you need to know your risk and then trade in futures. Agree, this point is very clear. How to trade for higher quantity with the lower stop loss. Yes, zones will be there, but you need to follow the zones. Yeah, how to create the zone are already there, but how to take trade, how to decide confirmation, all these things were not there in part 1 and 2. So here I will try to explain for live market. So all are in same page, right? Whoever has joined, all are in same page, right? So what we are going to do is, yeah, now this chart is there. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm remove all drawings. Now I'm asking whether what is the buy, then it will be little confusing. Yes. This is the chart I'm giving. Now what you will say? Now what you will say? Some people, whoever, see, that's what, if somebody wants to see this as a sell, then I can show this as sell, but what is the logic behind it and what is the probability of getting it done? That is depends upon your conviction and your method. That's it. If I want you to sell this, I can show whatever I want. So charts are little tricky. Only thing is, yes, you need to do like this. It's a good at resistance only, right? Agree? So same way I can convince you to sell also, but only thing is, yes, what is trend that you need to decide. But that's what I'm saying. See, I'm not a reversal trader. I'm a trend trader. Clearly trade, I have given topic as take a trend trading, how I'm doing. So that is what I am going to explain. So you're getting like, because when you start analyzing on your own, then you will get this kind of confusion. If somebody shares this chart, then you will be thinking, oh yes, it is at resistance only, then we can sell, it can come down like this. So this is target 1. This is target 2, something like this. So charts are always, whatever you want to see, you can see. It is only like what method you are going to apply. Got it? Same chart I am comparing. See this, looking at this, are you convinced you can sell? Right? Same trend line only, same box only. Right? So how to identify trend? Because this is where the live stuff will get lot of confusion when you are trading. Because if you just put only this weekly, then it looks like on paper it will look like very good. So next time if you are just I'm asking this, then you will have a lot of confusion. How to decide? Now daily it is showing uptrend, but weekly it is at resistance. So what should I do? Right? This is the questions like everybody face after learning. Yes, on paper learning is fine, but during live market learning, this is the issue people face. Right? For this one, what you need to understand is you need to understand difference about different time frames, and again still go with trend. So that clarity you need to understand. So we are going to start with that only. Right? So we can start now. All are in same page, right? So why I'm sharing like, yeah, my chart, if you look at this one, you will get convinced easily by same chart. If I'm using this version of my chart and this version of my chart, you will get convinced. Almost I can convince 50% of the people in the call. This is the best place to buy. Same way, again, this is the best place to sell. Yes, sir. That's what. So like this, you need to create your charts properly, then you can go with your levels. Agree? Then after some time, if market comes here, then you will be thinking, no, boss, I was thinking that is a sell only. Now it came to target. I should have listened to this expert instead of this expert. It is not the expert, it is only the trend which you need to know and follow. So we are going to see from now on just what is trend and these stuffs. So this is what how we see a chart, right? So price is moving like this, moving like this, moving like this, right? Agree? This point, like all are agree. This is how you see a chart, right? So now I'm just deleting these lines. So this is how you see a chart. Right? So from this time onwards, yeah, it can be, see, you can be seeing the charts like this also, not a problem. Something like this. You can start from seeing like this also, not a problem. But from somewhere you need to start, right? So how do you identify? So it doesn't mean that it starts from here only. The line can be something like this. You can go, you can come from like this, something like this. But somehow you need to start from somewhere, right? We don't know whether this is a daily chart or 5 minute chart or hourly chart or weekly chart. So first rule I'm saying, so to identify stocks or to read is, so if somebody is asking your view, thinking that yes, you are in market for 2-3 years now, I'm little confused, boss. So just share me your view for this stock. So for that, what you need to see, minimum weekly you need to start, then come to daily, and max to max lower time frame you can go till is hourly. That's it. If you're trying to follow this method, whatever I'm teaching, then you can note down this point. So you can note down this point. Just a second. Unnecessary. Okay. So if somebody asking, so after this session, if somebody is asking, then how you need to share your view. So what I do is, first I do only weekly, then I will go down to daily, then hourly, nothing below this for stocks. Because you need to trade, and you need to trade with some 5 to 10 days or 20 to 30 days view. For intraday, if you are telling, yeah, you can apply the same logic and you can decide whatever time frame, because I am not doing intraday. Because I trade only in option strategies. This is only to showcase people that yes, you want to still buy in cash or buy in futures. This method can be easily applicable. Only to show that I am trading with separate 5 lakh capital in all my picks which I am picking. But my bread and butter is something else. I am trading with 5 crore only on option strategies. So if you wanted to go for intraday, then you can decide whatever you want. But only thing is you need to finalize your time frames. A little high time frame, medium time frame, lower time frame. That how you decide, that is up to you. So if you are asking me, whatever I'm putting my view, whatever I can show trading, so this is how I'm getting my view. So all are clear. So if you want to apply this for scalping, yes, you apply, but at the risk of understanding and doing it on practical stuff, you need to do this. So now I'm trying to show you like what is what. So this point is what? It can be a swing low, right? This point is one more swing point. This point is one more swing point. This point is one more. 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 One more. So this is not a swing low point because we don't know whether it is going to continue like this or it can turn like this. It is up to your assumption. So that is why I generally say don't look at last 3-4 data. if you're using even closing, because for some people they will say no, it is going to turn like this because support is nearby, right? For your assumption, I cannot answer, but what is there in the data, only that I can answer, right? So now what you need to do, so how to draw trend line? You connect all, whatever trying to connect. I'm able to connect only with this, right? So I'm trying to connect like this. Let's say white color is a price color. So this means you can connect like this, right? So again, if somebody wants to connect like this, you can connect like this. Minimum 2 points you are connecting, same way. So now you are able to see the view on the price chart. No, beginner, just you know chart, right? Beginner, start with technical answers 1 and 2. So from 0 to how to trade options with strategies. So if somebody wants to follow this, then this series of education will help you. But where to start is, if you don't know where to start, like if you don't understand what is candle chart, start with candle chart, then come to chart, and then from here you can follow. This is simple, right? Because this is what everybody sees without knowing what is it. So now you are getting. So I am covering whatever I'm done in technical part 1 and 2 in within 5 to 10 minutes I will cover, right? So again, why support and resistance zones means, like I'm trying to identify like this, or I'm trying to put this line. So one more line connecting this. So there you will get a box, right? So how to put a box? Whenever there are more closer point horizontally, then you need to connect. That is how you get box, right? Till this one it's clear, because this is how first you need to start drawing minimal lines to your chart. That's what I have done. So if you just go and check in this chart, Kansai Naralak, I think I have deleted, right? Maybe what you can do is this chart. If somebody wants to, yes, weekly only I will start. Then these lines. Then you can change it to, if somebody wants to do a 2-hour chart also, and then do this. But only thing is, yes, you start with higher time frame and put only these three steps. Got it? Till now got it? Not an issue, right? You're okay with now, you started with chart like this, then how to put minimal lines which can give you proper direction. Yes, trade will not come, but you need to think in that direction first of all. Got it? So till here, even if somebody will ask, no, sir, can I connect this? Yes, you can connect this. Yes, once this trend line is broken over, then whatever this higher high or higher low, that is got broken here, right? So that part you're able to understand. If you follow this trend line, yes, one closing below this line, this view is gone, right? Agree? Because you can put n number of lines. So then whatever the view will become something like this. So if you start putting more lines, like connecting all things, then it will become like chart will be over, because there will be so many people who are sharing chart like this. Then you need to search price inside your chart. This will hinder all your views. Agree? Instead of that line, this is still clear for many people. Instead of putting all those red lines and showing like a scribbled one, this is much clear. Only price you can see. Now you know what to see, right? You see only these points, right? Whatever I am marking, going to highlight as a, you're going to mark only these points, 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 these points. Right? Start to end is fine. So getting it right, what you need to concentrate when you open a price chart, because when you open a price chart, you will not get lines like this. So it will be forming a candle, something like this. It may have a candle like this, something like this, something like this. The swing can be something like this also. It cannot be even. Something like this. If you start looking at hourly chart closing basis, then this can be like this, right? Because that is where people get confused when it comes to live market. How to identify this? So for this, one simple tool is there. That is called a zigzag. There is nothing like it is tracking price. That's it. Instead of you tracking the price and drawing it, it will do for you. So what you can do is, so everybody is comfortable with trading you, right? So go to zigzag. So indicators, try to add. What I tried to keep was, I was just trying to keep it as very light color, because I know what to follow. Only at some places, if I get little confusion, then I will follow this, right? So 2 hours chart like this. So it is following the price wherever it is marking. Yes, if you still want to follow more swings, then what you can do is, yes, you can play with this. You can get whatever you want to see. Like if somebody wants to filter out most of the places, like I said, no, this was the line I draw, but price was traveling something like this. Got it? Because this is the problem where when it comes to book to real-time chart, that is where people lag. So I'm saying whatever tools are there, which is useful for me to overcome this confusion. I'm just sharing. That's it. It is now up to you to decide what you want to use. Then don't ask me, now what is the best setting like this. No, whatever is your best setting to understand, use that. If somebody wants to capture all these things for a scalper, then this will be the best. The lowest will be the best to capture all the moves. And if somebody wants to trade only weekly breakout, then this could be the best, because you need to look at weekly, right? It filters out all whatever stuffs you want to ignore as a time frame selector. So now you know what time frame to select based on your targets. Like if you're trading weekly chart, and one more time, people will ask me, sir, target is fine, how long it will take? See, how long nobody can say, but you can assume if this is the trend line I'm taking, then from here to here is the view, right? This is what my view is. Right, in daily chart, this is what my pattern is. You can identify this pattern as whatever you want. Balaji, you asked the question, right? How to identify market profile, all this stuff. So if somebody asks, no, sir, can we follow pattern? Yes, before you identify this, I will be writing this. So I follow only price. So if you treat that as a pattern, or for drawing these two lines, from here I started, here I ended, right? So here breakout happened. Agree? Here breakout has happened. So till this, what is the time? It is March 20 to August 20. So for target also, you just assume that at least it will take that much time to reach the target. Yes, there are cases where target will come, but if you ask me, frankly, I can only give target. If this is the chart I have posted for the breakout, I don't know within this time it will hit. I can give only my targets. When it will hit, I don't know. You need to just travel with the price and see. So if somebody says, because I am not a Rustaller to tell at this point of time this will be the price, at this point of the time that will be the price. If you are that much comfortable, then I can deploy all my 5 crore in option buying itself, and I can keep on doubling, tripling, or 10x, 50x, 70x. I can do my whatever I am handling. But that is not the real case. If somebody says that at this point this target will come, be very aware with that guy. Because even projecting target itself is a bigger stuff for a trader. Yes, for the analyst, yes, anything he can say. He can say, no, Amavasya is coming, moon is coming. By this time will come. No, if you ask him to trade, he may not trade. But if you ask him next time also, he will say, no, tomorrow Malaya Amavasya is there. So for that time, red will come. See, yeah. Like that, people will give a lot of ideas. But ideas to trade, how to make that, you need to decide, because it is your own money. You need to take this. So like this, I can only project target. That's it. So if you wanted to see how we did this, it is there in this video. Not in this video. In this channel, it is there. Just go here. So this is one of my fundamental pick, which I shared. So I was sharing here. Just there is that investment pick. Yes, investment pick. So Nucleus software. If somebody wants to go this, go this. Same way Kaplan Point I gave, it moved. But Bajaj Consumers I gave, but it did not move. But don't ask me, sir, why this has hit your target within 2 days. You can give share call like this. Then that is the case. Then I will invest 5 crore in that capital alone. So that and all is not possible. Only probability is you can find and you can try to ride with the move. Again, Kaplan Point, if you see, within less than 5 days, it has given move. Around 440 I bought. Here I bought. Somewhere here I bought. Immediately it went to 680. And immediately it will go or not, but I can project my target. That is what it is there in this video. You can go through later also. So how to decide on your own why this Nucleus is buy, on what basis, why it is a breakout, how to project target. So that it will be helpful. This session will be helpful. So your target should be like this, not like finding Kaplan Point and Nucleus software, because somebody was asking the question, what drives the price? You don't know. First of all, you don't know. Clearly, you need to accept the fact you don't know. If your answer, if you're searching answer for that kind of questions, what drives the price like this crazy, then I want to identify, then you will be spending entire life in all these things. Yes, such a supply demand works, but why Kaplan Point alone risen like this? Why Nucleus alone risen like this? If you ask me, I don't know. I can only project target and better place to enter. That's it. If you ask me why this Friday means, yes, if I'm trying to give reason after that, no, I can just only bluffing. That's it, I can say. But I know the fact. I have to know the fact. Yes, next time if I find like this, can I assure you it will move like this within 1 month? No, I'm just only hoping, or you can say bluffing blindly. The worst word you can say it as I'm just bluffing, or you can say in a very better way, no, he's hoping lot, or he's overconfident. Like that, you need to understand. So we will go to again this part. So this is clear till now. How to ride, how to see the price. First of all, this not breakout or identifying the breakout. First, what you are seeing, how to. It can be something like this also. This can be something like this also. You cannot assume price will be moving like this. It can move like this. It can come like this. It can move like this. Now at this point. So you need to first accept the reality. Then only like how to screen this as this. I told you. So till this part very clear. Nobody doesn't. Please let me know like if you're not understanding this part. So that's what I showed. How to do that. So Dabur I will go. Like slowly I will teach, not an issue, because I kept 2 hours for this session. So at the end of the session or after looking at the session, if somebody understands this part, then that is even much good. Right? So this part you are able to understand right now. So now you go to, now if somebody asks 15 minutes chat, how I do, then go to 15 minutes chat. As I said, it is something like this. Extraordinary moves are like this. Right? After this, you should go up only. Now, why it is coming down? No, I don't know. I'm filtering those things and I'm tracking it as one move, right? Yes, immediately why it gone? If you ask me, I don't know why this isn't like anything. I don't know. You need to first accept the reality. Got it? If you are not able to understand, please record it, because the purpose of going webinar is only that. Yes, I can record, assuming that people understanding, and I can share the video. But only thing is why this is needed like interactive. People should say no. This part I am unable to understand, because you might be having lot of ideas about market, or you might be using this method, that method. So you you might be trying to combine that method and this method. But what I need to concentrate was, yes, When your mind is doing like that, don't do that. So this is what you need to follow. So that guidance I can give in live trading itself. Otherwise, you can just watch it as recorded video where any doubt is there, you need to keep with you only. That's it. Or you have to assume yourself the answers. So only for that purpose we are conducting this. So till now it is clear. Yeah, how to identify breakout I will tell you. So first of all, how the price is moving, how to mark it for your benefit. So that is clear, right? Right now? Yes. Because only 3-4 people are there who are replying. So based on their reply, I am assuming that everybody assumed. Because if you don't know, please let me know. If you're understanding, it's not an issue if you're not replying. But if you don't know and still keeping silent, then it is your problem. Right? Mohit, even my English is very bad. I'm not fluent in English. So I'm trying to convey what it's in my mind. If you just record my voice and see the grammar, it will be a lot of mistakes only. No need to worry about it. Here we are not getting award for my English fluency. It is only for the technical analysis we are here. So till now it is very clear because whatever now you have seen in this 1 hour, it is much more important than the next 1 hour. Chinmay Kamdar, can you cut your video feed, boss? So that the bandwidth can be used for people who are receiving the video. Just cut your audio, like leave it audio, cut your video feed. Chinmay Kamdar. So till now it is clear, right? Any doubt? So now, so can anybody say? So if somebody is asking me this Dabur, how to analyze? So what I need to start? From where I need to start? Because just now I said. So somebody is asking from where I need to start. Okay, Sachin, can you tell me from where I need to start? Weekly, right? Yes. Because now I need answer from you guys. Raj Segar, this is what I said. Zigzag input, please explain. Input can be anything. You can just play with the input and see what is comfortable for you. Right? It can be 1 also, it can be 10 also. Whichever you are comfortable, you do. I don't worry about what number you are giving. Okay? So that's what. Concentrate on what you need to concentrate. Don't look at the stuffs which are not at all important for live trading. Right? So this is too much clumsy, right? So what I need to do? I need to filter out. Is it okay now? Valli Rajasekhar, this is okay now. Like this only you need to try and identify which is best for you. So now, okay, Sachin, we need to go for weekly, right? Go to weekly. Okay. So now, again, to suit my style, I kept. That is why I kept like this. Because so now tell me how this is going. So from here on, just follow the price pattern. No need to follow zigzag also. It is in the uptrend, right? First of all. Clear. Right? You can follow like this also. This is one of the things. If you filter all the things and it is going up only. Right? Yes. So now this is still uptrend. So buying only we need to look at. And I'm deleting this. Okay. So now I'm concentrating more on closer. So I'm saying you price is like this when you are analyzing. Okay, I don't know whether this is breakout or not. At this point, I wanted to draw the trend line. So this is how you draw a trend line, right? And put the zone. Agree? Same way I'm connecting tops only. Same way I'm connecting bottoms only. So where and all I got max close this zone. Sachin, you are okay with this? At this point of time, if you are okay with this? Yes. So now I am just going to daily. Same place before the breakout. This is now before the breakout. Before breaking this trend line. It is doing like this. Agree? At this point, you are getting confusion whether buy or sell, right? Sachin, I'm interacting with you only. Like maybe if you want to on your mic, we can discuss. Only you. Just on. Unmute yourself and speak to me.
Hello, sir.
Hi, boss. So we are going to discuss. That's it. It will be a live discussion. Nobody else will be there. So because you are replying promptly, like I wanted to be on the call. Okay, this is the point, right? This is the confusion where this is a buy or sell, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you need to see from here how it is making. So lower low, sorry, one low, high. So this high is not broken, but it is making higher low, right?
Lower high.
Yeah, not lower high. If you consider only this, maybe I can use this way better. This chart I cannot able to scribble much faster, but this is mine. Agree. So here one high is there. Okay. Here one lower high is there. Agree.
Yes, sir.
So here one low is there, but this is what?
Higher low.
This is what? Right. So this is again lower high only. So now you tell me which you need to do. So you can, this is consolidating between this trend and this trend. So anywhere if you find good support, you can buy. Anywhere if you are finding good resistance, you can sell. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So till either this low should break or this high should break. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Then you can take a trend decision. Right?
Yes.
Because if you are looking at selling point of view, yeah, wherever you are finding this, and if your zone match something like this, I'm just trying very bluffly, okay. If your zone matching like this, then you can sell here, right?
Yes, sir.
Stop loss, what you can keep. So previous above this, right?
Yes, sir.
Because this is the proven swing which you are already having. So somebody is buying, maybe based on these levels, I am putting on horizontal line. If somebody is wanting, no, this is a buy only. If you want to buy here, then what is your stop loss? This is the stop loss, right?
Yes, sir.
Agree? Now you are getting your point how to identify. Because my weekly is still in uptrend, I will give more weightage to this buy.
Yes, sir.
Getting your point?
Sir, in this case, the stop loss would be 420 or the first low, which is around 380.
No, see, if you are trading in future, then this is the best stop loss for you. Right?
Yes, sir.
The best place in terms of holding is fine. Risk wise, this is the best place.
Yes, sir.
And then closing below this, when price is coming here, then you go to weekly, then you will get a good zone here. If you are going, then this is the stop loss. If you are trading with higher volume, if it is trading with only lower volume, so say your capital is 5 lakhs, you are trading with only 10,000, then you can keep stop loss here also, not an issue. If you are taking huge volume like futures, then better, this will be the better place. Then once this breaks, then you can come here and buy. Agree?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, view is same, but what is the kind of trade you are going to take? Based on that, you can devise your stop loss. Right? Till now it is clear. Yeah, as per method also it's fine. As per method also, but I think I will mute you because external noise is there. Some dog is barking.
Okay, sir. Sure. Okay, sir. No problem.
Yeah. So see, this is the live discussion we made. Any doubt in this? Because if I explain and instead of I keeping explain, you will get lot of answer when somebody is discussing with me. That is the reason why this kind of webinars are planned. Till now it is clear. If you are buying, buy here with what stop loss? Yes, swing is still here only, as he asked. If you are putting more money, then better to have closer stop loss. And if you buy like this, like how I am doing, because I generally buy in this values only. Like if I'm trading, I will trade only for 20,000, 30,000. If I'm investing, yes, I do SIP kind of investing for 4 to 5,000 per month. So if I'm trading like this, yes, this is my stop loss, what I kept. If I'm entering here, then I can keep stop loss till here also, not a problem. It is only your comfort. Or if I'm trading in future, then this will be my stop loss. Then once this hits, then I will look for better opportunity here also, not a problem. Otherwise, I will again wait for this to break. So till now you got how to identify breakout. Like this is, so this again for a lower time, this is broken out, right? This is breakout, and it is retesting. Once this is broken out, like I will go here and see. Teach you like yes. How to keep your stop loss? First of all, I have started identify your stop loss. Let's say you're traveling. This is dipping. So this is a breakout. This point is breakout, right? Agree? This is a breakout point, right? If you're breaking this one, then what is the stop loss you can keep? Either this stop loss or this stop loss. Agree? Because this swing is broken. So this becomes your next swing. And for safer people who want to accommodate more cushion, then you can use this, right? And again, like this over. Now this is coming out and this is now breaking out. This is your stop loss, right? If you want to keep this stop loss, then buy near this point only. Agree? Same way, now this higher high, this is one more higher high, right? Till this one you are able to follow. I'm looking at thermal Chetty comment. In previous, you told RSI divergence. Now, in this case, we have to see that also in previous videos. But see, please concentrate on what I'm discussing now. I will tell. Don't worry. In between, don't jump and ask questions. I will tell. Don't worry. I will tell how to confirm breakout. I will tell. But first, you are okay with this. You're able to identify this one. You need to decide on your own what is the stop loss. If you are trading in future, if you are trading in cash, what is the stop loss you can accommodate? You are okay with that because stop loss is fine. But based on your risk, you need to define, because that is where people go wrong in live trading. Yes, here people will trade in future itself directly and assuming this as stop loss. Yes, but when market fall like this, before it closes below this, you will exit because you are trading huge quantity. That is spoiling your clarity. So if you want to trade like this, or else wait for previous swing, because this is we are looking at daily now. So go to hourly and look at where is the best place. Then you can keep your stop loss. So go one at a time. So till now you are okay with this. How to decide stop loss based on swing and based on your risk, right? Till this part is clear. Okay. So then, because it cannot keep on going on one side, right? It has to break down. So from here, yes, this swing is broken till it's close below this. It is now exit, right? Now you tell me if you are trading here in future, you're okay with this risk. Yes, this is the earlier risk you decided, but in between you will feel no, I have taken a heavy risk. So you need to be very proper in planning your trades. So if this kind of risk is there, yes, then you can go for option strategies, understanding what is what. So end of this, all the series of videos, this is the plan. Like you take a view, then you decide what you want to trade. You want to trade like option strategies, just wait till full series. Now itself don't ask, no, how to apply like this in option series. Just wait, this is a free learning, right? Wait. You will get all the steps clear, but one by one you need to get clear. So now it has broken, right? So now you tell me this is now completely reversed. So this is broken down. What is your stop here? Maybe I will use this color. Now this is a breakdown, right? What is your stop? If you're okay with this stop, then you need to take, right? Otherwise, this zone and this zone you mark it as red color zone. Then you can entry nearby the swing, and what is the stop loss? This is the closer stop loss for you, right? You can come in 10 days also, but at that time you should have a proper view. No, this is, though it is rising, it is trend has changed. I need to be on this direction. Agree? This point is okay till now? Clear? Yes, sell is activated here, but your stop loss, you should know it is here only. So now you will be able to see in live charts. So this point is very clear, like how to travel with the trend. This can be any time frame, not an issue. It can be even hourly also, it can be daily also, but in the same time frame, how to go. Now I'm going to live. Okay. So now it is doing like this. So like this. Okay. So every zone you are marking. So this red zone going up means it's closed above this, right? Agree, this point is closed above this, right? Sir, Thermal City, sir, here I'm going to tell you how to confirm this breakout or not. So you marked this zone, right? So what is the high of these zones? So using these parts. Agree? So this is the breakout I am expecting. So that's what, even I tried to break, but it did not close. This is the first close I am seeing, right? If I'm using only these zones. So same line, just same this only. I'm just putting here just to copy, okay? And just putting same place where this high is there. Now RSI also just draw the same line. So RSI should start here. You are seeing breakout in RSI. If you are seeing breakout in RSI, then confirm this is a breakout. Some people use volume, but I don't use volume. I use only RSI only for this purpose. Then don't tell me how to identify divergence, how to identify. Now, if RSI is 80, should I book or should I sell? No, I am not teaching RSI for that purpose. I am clearly using RSI only when I am looking at breakout or breakdown. This is very clear. Because after don't ask me, sir, RSI 30 means should I buy? RSI 80 means should we sell now? No, I am not teaching that. Till now I was concentrating price. Yes, you ask for confirmation. Yes, I am calling one of the derived price to confirm whether this is not or not, or it's a failed breakout before itself. This is clear, right? Now, whenever you see breakout like this, closing breakout like this, now let's say you assume this has one swing. Go to lower time frame. Right? This is the place where I wanted to concentrate. Agree? So I'm concentrating on these two swing points. Right? What you need to do is same place, you need to draw. You are getting a breakdown in RSI. Then what? Then breakdown in RSI. Yes, if you wanted to know the zone, yes, this is the zone to sell. If you want low risk, your stop loss is, this is the swing high, right? Just follow this. You will get this much, right? So again, if somebody wants to ask like this, sir, this is broken out. Now you need to check on your own. That's it. How I am drawing, you just need to see. That's it. When price is breaking out, just see that RSI lows also broken out. That's it. Not as a value, that and all, I'm not worried. So if this is broken out, right? So you're trading like this. You're trading like this. Now, this zone can be based on this time frame. Agree? Because leave about what is the time frame. So as per the method, how one should draw the box. So this max can be till here, right? Max high. Right? So you can enter here, you can enter here also, you can enter here also, right? Trend has changed here, right? It was making higher high. If you put a trend line, yes, then I will tell what is different between trend line breaking and this one breaking. Till now it is very clear. I am not using about trend line here. I will not use trend line for my breaking out. I will use only my zones. And how to confirm that? I will call RSI and just check. That's after that RSI, wherever it goes, as I said, that's it. This is confirmed, then you can delete RSI. That's it. Don't ask, sir, RSI is oversold, or what? Should I need to do what I need to do? No. Just follow what I'm saying, or because I am following what I'm doing. That's it. So if you wanted to trade like this, then do like this. Till now it is very clear, because lively you need to see. At this point of time, you need to see. If you just keep this and then ask me, oh boss, this has come down now, what I should do? This is a hard time friend only now. Yes, trend is there, but it is broken, right? Swing is broken. So this is the swing. Till high is this broken, this is the swing you need to keep. Right? So if you want to buy, yes, trend is higher only, now then you buy somewhere here. You prepare yourself where you need to buy. So if you are buying here, then your stop loss should be somewhere here, right? Then you wanted to buy somewhere here, because till this low is holding, yes, that trend is still holding, but will you able to take this stop loss at this breakout itself, or you treat this as one breakout? This is my breakout. I am just changing my color just for identification purpose. This is a breakout. So for this breakout, what stop loss you can keep? Entirely for the entire swing, you can keep this stop loss. Will you be able to trade with this higher stop loss here and here? No, you need to work on lower stop losses, right? Even though it is hourly, still this cannot be traded on future with this kind of stop loss, even with this kind of stop loss, right? So now I'm just moving on. Price is changing. Oh, I got a breakdown. So I got a breakdown. So yes, if you want to buy here, yes, you buy here with only this stop loss. That's it. Then understand here, yes, this is the zone it was trying to make. Once this higher high is broken, then you can ride the trend. Sir, someone was asking about pyramiding, right? Then if you wanted to ride it, then wait for this breakout to add for more pyramiding, right? Because I'm lively traveling. So this is what, how candlesticks unveiled itself. And then a lot of queries will come. Oh, boss, this looks like sell only, but no, by looking at this candle, this much push up is there now. So this should be surely buy only. No, buy is there. But when you should identify this zone and you buy it. Otherwise, it's a sell for this breakdown, right? So you sell here, right? It. So next time price trying to come here. So you assume that this is a support, then you book here. Agree? No need to buy here. If you're buying here, then use proper stop loss. Though it's an uptrend only. Now it's trying to break out, right? It's given a trying to close above this. Now your job is to call RSI and see. Right? This plays in it. Okay. Oh my God. This is not true breakout. Agree? Thirumal Shetty sir, this is what you asked now, how to identify false breakout. Till now you are able to follow this, because this is what live will teach you. Agree? No, don't tell RSI is at 80, so this is not a buy. Yes, I will show the cases when RSI breaks out, then it will fly like anything. You need to then, so you can sell here also, right? Till how long? At least in hourly RSI breakout, you see from your right, then this much fall. Oh God, why? False breakout. Many people thinking like this is a breakout, that is why this much shaken out has happened. Yes, after seeing this, I can identify tops. No, this is the place to sell. But if you look at this one, just if you look at this one, then how you will identify this is a breakout or not? At least. So here a lot of tops are there. So once now this top is breaking out, right? Again, call RSI only to confirm your breakout. Breaking out, right? Then breaking out means this is the stop loss. Minimum stop loss you can keep. And previous zones are, these are the better zones you can buy. So if you are buying, yes, buy this, keep this stop loss. Because RSI also confirmed. So now you can write this. Right? Same way, this zone is getting broken. Now check in RSI. Then if the RSI, then you write the trend. Clear? No need to follow anyone. You can follow only price daily basis. Or if you wanted to study, then keep only this much view and start moving one by one, and then you study. Otherwise, you are you will think, no, 500 only now. So wherever dip is there, you can buy. You will assume yourself, but you try to travel with the price. So this is the zone broke, right? This is a zone broke. Just identify. This is till now it is not breakout. Till now it is not breakout. Till now it is still not a breakout, right? Even it went till here, not a breakout. Not a breakout. Don't read this. Yes, when this is breaking out, yes, this RSI and this RSI giving breakout. Then if any dip is there, but you need to keep this as your swing. Agree? Till this one, everyone clear? Any doubt, please let me know, sir. Thirumal Shetty, sir, you asked more doubts like how to identify breakout, how to confirm. You're asking RSI, but now I told RSI what need to we only look at. That's it. After this, don't look at, no, sir, this is positive divergence, this is negative divergence. Yes, if you are comfortable in trading and you know what to do, then you do. You can deploy whatever method you follow, but you know the risk. You should know the risk. I will not use any kind of stuffs. I will only follow this. Till now it is clear. Okay. So now, if some zone is breaking down, how do you confirm? So this is one stuff. So again, if you wanted to go to daily, same way, look at daily only, look at daily RSI only. See, this is breaking out, right? Then this is the best place to sell. Or exit your positions if you are long. This is what I was saying. RSI number and all not important to me. Please look in chat. If it crosses 70, I don't know. I look at only price. When price give me trigger, then only I go and check RSI. Otherwise, RSI can be 0 also. It can only go to 0 to 100. If you are very clever enough or somebody is very clever enough to identify 0 is the best place to buy, near 100 is the best place to sell, then follow that and you make a money, and then you convincingly tell me this is the method I follow. That's it. If you are saying something, make money and tell me. I will also try to follow. But I will ask so many questions like this has happened, this has happened, this has happened. Do you have any answers? Then I will follow. So you need to, because if you ask any doubt in any questions, yes, still if this is a breakout and if you're trading this and if still closing above this, you need to have proper stop loss, right? Any closing above this, you need to exit. So for price is breaking up, RSI should also break that to confirm. Same way when RSI is breaking down, sorry, price is breaking down, then only go and look at RSI. Otherwise, don't look at RSI before price is making any move. Okay. So this is clear. Till now, this is clear. Because if this is clear, then from today onwards, you can start trading on your own. No need to depend on anyone. What is the stop loss, sir? What is this, sir? What is that, sir? What I should do, sir? No need to beg anyone. Even the person who is you are going to ask, he might be in trouble. You don't know. Till you see his positions, you don't know. Maybe to an expert level, social media, he might be putting all 1 lakh rupees code, iPhone, Audi car, whatever it is. But when it comes to conviction, you need to see them in real face and decide. So I am trying to educate only what you know, that only you trade. Before initiating trade itself, you decide what is the risk you are going to see. Then later don't come and sell or tell, sir, this much risk I did not expect. No, I told clearly, or you decide. Chart I will provide in this one. No need to worry. You will get all charts in the Telegram channel, through which you joined this course. Now it is up to you to decide where to buy, where to keep stop loss. Don't ask me, sir, exactly tell me the stop loss. No, my purpose is not, I did not get money from you to claim that, no, you committed this. No, I did not commit. I committed only to make you understand and make you on your own. So from after this seminar, or at least if somebody is watching this recorded video after 2 years also, I will make sure that they understand stuffs. Still, if they are having any queries, they are free to ask me with proper question like, no, sir, I did not understand your entire seminar. Can you teach me again? No, again, I will teach this only. Go through. Be precise in asking me the exact question. If you wanted to take my time, yes, take it, no problem, but put your efforts and take your time. So till now, it is very clear how to follow trend. Yes, I will come, boss. Rajshekhar, I will come how to fix target. Now, till now, it is clear. Okay, then how we will fix target? So what I will do is, because this trade I am following, so I will not delete this. You tell me, Rajshekhar, you only ask now. You tell me what stock we can just now see. And we will see whether sell or buy, and we will see target. Valli Rajshekhar. No, I am expecting Rajshekhar only. Rajshekhar, you tell me the stock. Near resistance means what resistance? See, that's what these are all book based. So can you tell for this what is the target? You tell me one stock, we will see. If it is buy, we will wait for the target. If it is sell, we will fix the target. Because you only ask the question now. But then you are getting your answer, swing near resistance, that is fine, right? You know how to fix target. Okay, now you know how to fix target. So you can use target as resistance or swing high. So this is done. So now you can please ask some value. Okay. So now you tell me which stock we can see. Now Bata India, sorry, Dabur India is coming like this now. Now what you should do? Tell me. If you are buying here, what is the best stop loss you can keep for lower level? This is the best stop loss. For if you are doing in future, then this will be the best stop loss. So which you can decide is only this. As per swing, minimum swing should keep here. So when it keeps coming, then this is the best level on daily. Agree? Yeah, you can go to hourly also. You can look at your breakdown in same time period. No, so from here on I will not teach what is Maruti, what is RCF, sir. Maruti, Thirumal Setti, sir. You open and see. Whatever chart you wanted to see. What time frame you want to see, only that time frame you go and see. So weekly open, get your view. Again daily open, get your view. Go to 1 hour chart also. Because you need conviction, right? You don't want my call. If Maruti, if you want, you trade like this. Just a second. Just a second, I will try to identify where I kept Maruti. Any doubt is there? Please prepare and type something. Okay, one more stock I will go. Now I pick people. Rajendra Raj, if you can reply, I will work for you because you are very silent. Rajendra Raj, sir, if you pick one stock, I will analyze that. I am waiting for Rajendra Raj, sir. If you reply, I will analyze. Otherwise, I assume all understood. I think Rajendra sir not in call itself. Just connected and went somewhere.
Yes, sir.
Sir, pick one stock. You will see.
Sir, I'm not understand for English. I'm not proper English. I'm Hindi. मैं हिंदी भाषी लोग व्यक्ति हूँ.
No, हमारे हिंदी मालूम नहीं.
हिंदी मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आता, इंग्लिश बहुत थोड़ा कम आता है. मैं केवल सुन रहा हूँ.
No, but you see chart now. No, you learn the chart now.
Yes,
you
sir.
know price. 530. If I say 530, support means you know what is support.
डाबर का सपोर्ट 420, 420.
Okay.
डाबर.
Yes. That is more than enough. I don't know Hindi, you don't know English, but knowledge is transferred. That is more than enough.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So any doubt, guys? Maruti somewhere asking, no? So just a second. Otherwise, I will do live whatever I have in mind for 2-3 stocks right now. So this is my market view given on 6th of August. Very clear, right? Now, can anyone say what is the view? So this is buy. What is the stop loss? For smaller stop loss, this is higher stop loss. This is what is the target? Clear, right? No words, nothing. If somebody couldn't read English, yes, they could read price at least. This is how I will share my chat. That's it. If you understand, trade. Because still, if you want me to spoon feed, sir, what is the target, sir? What is the stop loss, sir? I don't know, sir. Then I will not reply. Because I am not committed to give anyone the call. My job is to give the knowledge, give the conviction, you decide on it. Because if I may be buying, no, that's what it's crossed bus. Just look at the comments. It has crossed. Do not trade for penny gains. I did not keep small stop loss. So this is how one should know. So by looking at the chart itself, now you're able to see the same chart and see whether it is a breakout or not, right? You will not ask me, sir, breakout is confirmed or not. Please tell me, I want to buy. If you are asking that question, then that channel is not for you, first of all. So at least end of this session, people will be able to identify, like if I say something like this, if I say something like this, then you will be able to Tata Chemical. Yesterday I posted. If somebody wants to see that, we can see. One of live chat. So 2 charts I will discuss. Out of this, now one is this, right? Because we have only another 20 minutes. Fine, right? We can go and see, right? See, if you have some other view, yes, have your view and have your conviction. That's it. So same way, first weekly. This is good uptrend. Right? It has given closing above this. RSI also did. Just put a line and see, it will close. Or else you can just click. This line got breakout on closing basis. Agree? All agree? So at this point, it given a breakout, right? So you know this is my stop loss. Entry you can do wherever you want. Now it is up to you. You can buy immediately here also. Or you can see if somebody wants to draw patterns, you can draw pattern whatever you want. What is this? Flag and board. Only Raja, I will come to your doubt. Just follow this one. Okay. And something like this. See pattern. See, if I'm looking at only that pattern in mind, I know that I can draw whatever patterns I want. I'm trying to scribble what I wanted. Cup on handle. Agree? Then somebody, if something, can draw like this. Inverted head and shoulder. So pattern and all not important. You need to follow the price. Pattern will come in. Same way like someone was asking, right? Market profile. These are all I5 names given to sell their products. Without, you just cut the feed of your price. No indicator. Even if it is 1 lakh also, it will not work. Agree? When NSE cuts their feed, no indicator will work. Let it be Elliott wave. Let it be whatever it is. So what you need to concentrate on more on? You need to price. You need to see only price. Yes, when price is giving something, then you need to go and check. It's like something like this. You are inside your home. Somebody is pressing your calling bell. Before opening, what you are doing? You are either looking at the window or through the vision hole camera or mirror. You are looking at somebody is there. If nobody is there, you will not open, right? Because something is fishy. Same way you should use indicator. That's it. Just because you are expecting someone, do you see only through the door hole camera or door or mirror the entire day? You will not sit. When something is someone is knocking the door, instead of at least putting the calling bell, then you go and see the door hole, right? So that is how you need to treat. So live example, if I give, it will be much more easier to connect. So it is only price, not support resistance. It's only price and trend. That's it. I will not even say support or resistance. Price, when price is making a move, be ready. That's it. So now you tell me, should I buy this? Should I buy this? Go to hourly chart also. Should I buy this? This is the best place to buy, right? Now it is again coming. This is the best place to buy, right? So you will buy? Attack I bought. Today also I bought. 304.5 into quantity. This is only my conviction. That's it. Based on the conviction, I'm buying. So I know when to exit. You don't need to ask me, sir, what is the stop loss for this, sir? No, you understand yourself. You draw. Once that line broke down, see. Now tell me, sir, RSI is broken out, sir. Should I exit? No. Price did price broke out? No. Then why you are looking at door hole entire day? It might be someone might be going to someone place. You cannot open your door just because you see someone in your door hole, right? So this is one live. If somebody wants to take trade, then trade this. It is up to you to trade in future. But if you are trading in cash, you know this is the best place to buy. This is the best place, but only thing is, yes, you can start initiating here. And you know, at least now I go to hourly, right? Minimum hourly, I said. So when this one breaks, at that time, just go and check RSI. Did RSI make a lower low? Below this. Yes, now itself it is making, but that doesn't say it is making or not. Yes, if that time, if this low is breaking again below this, then you need to exit, right? I'm sharing one live trade of mine. And one more. One more. Live. One more. This is a zone you can keep. If somebody wants to buy, immediately you can buy. Price is coming down. RSI is not coming down. Yes. This has broken down. This has broken down. That is why it comes to this support. Now, I'm going to little higher time frame also. If you want to see 3 hours, 4 hours. You want to see daily. Yes, it is making higher high if you are a seller. Same way, still making higher low also. So in this case, you can anticipate flag and pole breakout also. But only thing is, yes, below this, if it crossed at that time, just mark RSI. So these two close are there. No? So at this, then now you will have a lot of questions like, sir, which one I should connect? Because this is the zone, this is the zone, right? So if you're looking at this zone, make sure that the lowest point is broken down in RSI. If this is getting broken out, or if you're expecting in one daily candle something like this coming out, then sir, I don't know, sir, how to check RSI or how to confirm RSI. I've drawn like this. RSI is making here only. No, out of for this zone, this is the support for RSI. This also, if it comes down, then break out and see. If there is no trigger in price, don't check RSI. Now itself, sir, this is getting a hint that this will break down. No, I am not teaching that. When price is, when someone is knocking your door, that time go and see. So like this, you can do, right? So now, somebody wants to follow my chart, like this is how I because if we put this, somebody will not understand. So again, if you wanted to still more, so this is one more breakout. If it comes, it can come till here, right? Agree? This is the one more breakout. So that is a retest point. For that, if you wanted to buy, then you need to prepare like this. Still trend is up only, but what is the best place to buy? Agree? So next, if I am taking very low quantity, I can keep till here. But as of now, if somebody wants to trade a trading quantity, then do daily. I will not show this because people will think cleverly. Then what I can do is, yes, Once this is breakout, so a trend line breakout I will not consider. I will consider something like this. What is the previous swing? Then that needs to be broken out, and then I will check RSI. If that is done, then this will go. It will not only break this, it will break all-time high also. So this is what my plan is. So below this, I will exit. Right, next time, if I put in my Telegram channel, from where you join this meeting. Okay. So in front of yourself, I will buy. So what is this? 1,01399, right? Because this one I lively found out just now only, because that is why it is not in the generally trading in the sea. Okay. So for 6,000 I will buy. 6,000 means 6 quantity I can buy. No need to wait for something like this. Order get triggered, buy, right? Done. From my side, I have done. Buy at support. If somebody wants to look at live, how to analyze, how to decide, yes, I have done my side. So this is clear. Intraday trading, I am not teaching, boss. Ayush, this is not for intraday. Another 10 minutes is there. In that one, I will tell how to filter stocks. Unless index, same way, go and find index. Again, index is Nifty. For index, minimum go with daily, then 1 hour, max you can count down till 15 minutes. So this I have already worked out. If somebody wants to go long here. It is the stop loss. But will you be able to take this much risk? Then wait till. Or else if you wanted to trade here, keep stop loss here only 337. So today morning, if you have seen, this is the best place to go long. So once you see this close below this and confirm the RSI, exit. Or you keep stop loss like this. Mohid Adil. Sir, Bank Nifty, you study, sir. That's what my job is, not to give call. I told you how to study. Already marked. Right? Just check. This zone is broken. Right? This zone is broken. Then same way, just broken out. Sorry, broken down, right? Retest. But I know stop loss is here. So if you are selling here, yes, sell here. Otherwise, you keep stop loss minimum here. That's it. Even if you sold here, yes, keep stop loss here, then this gap down you could have booked. I'm not giving calls, sir. Just identify yourself what is the best place, or on your own, be your boss. Right? So somebody was asking like how to pick stocks. Generally, how I pick stocks is I will have first a fixed set of stocks, which are generally trading in FNO, because if in trading FNO, I need not worry about volume, because whatever is happening, it will happen with volume. So only RSI is enough. So you can select based on 10 or 20 stocks and then just keep on looking at this. Or if somebody still wants to identify how, I need to find a trending stock. Now you can go to starting. You can use any EMA crossover also for scan. Okay. Any EMA crossover on daily. Okay. I'm just just a second. I already created Scrum. There's login. I need to log in. So if somebody knows how to create, use some EMA, any EMA, whatever you wanted to do. So EMA, tasked above. So see again, you can do whatever you want. Minimum, like I will keep 8. You can decide your combination. Okay, 8, 24, something like that. I'm keeping latest. Or you go to 1 day ago. Run a scan again. Don't go to cache. Go to futures. Biogon. Now go and check Biogon. Minimum daily, right? Because we are searching for daily breakout. You can now come down to whatever time frame you want. So for this is the previous swing, right? Same way, RSI confirmation, same way, this is the place. So that's what I'm keeping. Done. Right? Live breakout. Now you can do whatever you want. One line. Don't do analysis. If it dips. And if it dips, you know where to buy because it's a trending stock. So now again, if it comes down, I know this is again still a good trending stock. I can buy here also if I wanted to buy. But you should know, Ayush, I think your question will get answered here. You can do whatever you want. No, I wanted to do in weekly only. Same way, do this. Weekly breakout you can find. So last week. So you go and check SBLA. So like this, you can filter out stocks and then you need to work on. Instead of you finding the breakout, there are easiest method to find the breakout. Only thing is you need to confirm whether that is breakout confirmed or not. Right? So I think we are coming almost to the end of our session. So till now, I think I've cleared all your doubts and whatever it's meant for. Like next time, if I post in this, now you know what to look at. Don't ask me what is the number, this stop loss or that stop loss. Wherever you are comfortable, you buy, and you keep your stop loss on your own. Take your positions accordingly. Right? Now, this first part of this webinar is learn technical analysis. Yes, you would have learned in last part 1 and 2 in YouTube, and how to apply. Yeah, recording will be available, boss. All recording, whatever this recordings will be available in YouTube. Just follow this YouTube. You will get. This is my YouTube channel. So this is my number. If any doubt, you can call me. Only thing is, ask with proper, precise question. Don't call and ask, sir, what is this? I don't know how to learn. Then I will say, go to YouTube and learn. If you are having doubt, yes, precisely ask me. Anything else? Because I've shown you live also. I've shown you Dabur and Tata Chem buy. Again, Muthoot Finance buy. And Nifty also, it's a buy, but it needs to be much closer for me to initiate my position. Right? So if somebody still have the question, sir, if I follow this, what I will make? How I will make? Now, if you're having this question, if you follow this, you can make a lot of money because that is what I'm doing. So I will show one of the returns, yearly returns like this. Okay, I will show yearly returns like this.